expanding the tensioner. I'm doing the reverse as simulating the bolts getting out. You can see where the bolts are located.
Car is making like a metal noise. You don't know what it is, so looks like, pay attention where the sound comes from.
Now I'm gonna remove the two M10. Another M16 in there. Supercharged pulleys in there. Now we are going to the last bolt, the big one. Now we are going to, yeah, it's just already free. So let's see how we are going to take this off now. So I bump in a little problem here. The tensioner is not going to come out. Here is remove the upper engine mount and see if I can pull the tensioner through this way. So in the engine is going to need some support on this side. So I have a jack stand already set in there, and let's see how it goes. So now I'm going to remove the engine mount. Okay, so the secret is to drop and try to pull vertical, so it's coming off. Old one is out, so the secret here is drop vertical. You want to pass very tight. So on my case, the engine mount polyurethane, I can drop here, I can get to the point, so and then go and then dropping the him there and taking care of the pulley. So you're gonna see the difference in between them. So this is and this guy was not having any resistance here anymore. Look, and it's spilling out the oil. Let's get a good one now. Look how the good one, there is no space. Look how the rubber, so no. Let's try put it in vertical. Like that. So now we start making the pulley. So go around, and here we go, it's already there. Set. It's already there.
First hole should be totally out. That hole is your indicator of when that hole starts getting inside, that means your belt already start stretching.
So let's see the belt here. A brand new belt. I got a bundle. You can see it's fitting perfect. Everything is awesome. I'm going to just to reassemble the car and put back the engine mount, and this job is done. Alright, thanks for watching.